Everything to know about the 2022 Nissan Maxima. The 2022 Nissan Maxima proves that a full-size sedan does not have to be unappealing to look at and dull to drive. Its finely sculpted exterior wraps around a large cabin that pushes the concept of mainstream quite near to the realm of luxury. Drivers looking for some excitement behind the wheel will find it in the Maxima, though one should place expectations well below the sports car norm. To know more about Nissan Maxima, keep watching. But before that, make sure to smash the like and subscribe button. Let's dig in. Unlike other big sedans like the Chrysler 300 and Dodge Charger, the Maxima is only available with a 300 horsepower V6 and front-wheel drive. Modern technological comforts such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a slew of standard driving aids are present and accounted for. The Maxima is an excellent alternative for anti-SUV drivers who want passenger capacity and value the comfort of a big vehicle. Only one modification has been made for 2022. Heated rear seats are now standard on the high-end Platinum grade. The Platinum trim includes a power-adjustable steering wheel, rain-sensing windscreen wipers, a power-operated rear shade, complete leather seats with diamond-quilted inserts, heating rear seats, and wood interior trim is well worth the price premium in our opinion. If you're feeling wealthy, an additional $1,140 gets you the Reserve option, which adds a charcoal-colored headlining, a two-tone leather-wrapped steering column, and special 19-inch wheels to the Maxima. Nissan improves the ultimate driving experience with a V6 engine and more aggressive chassis tuning in the Maxima. It competes with vehicles such as the Acura TLX, Honda Accord, and Toyota Camry. It's attractive, drives well, and has excellent crash test results. It receives a TCC rating of 6.5 out of 10 points. The Maxima is one of the faster full-size sedans, and its V6 engine makes an excellent sound when driven hard. The 3.5-liter V6 engine produces 300 horsepower and propels the Maxima forward with purpose. However, the continuously variable automatic transmission undermines Maxima's sports sedan objective. A Maxima Platinum can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds, outperforming competitors such as the Volkswagen Arteon and the V6-powered Dodge Charger models. The Maxima handles nicely for a vehicle of its size. The suspension is well damped and robust, maybe to the point of being too stiff for the class. The Maxima displays little body lean and hard cornering movements, and the Maxima SR comfortably outhandled its competitors. The Maxima's powertrain demonstrates its ability to balance performance and efficiency with fuel economy figures of 20 miles per gallon city or 30 miles per gallon highway. Its extensive highway cruising range makes it an ideal long-distance companion as well. The Maxima seats 5 people in a well-executed interior with soft-touch materials, straightforward controls, and a variety of high-end equipment. Legroom in the front seats is among the finest in its class, but headroom is mediocre. Rear seat room isn't as vast as its bigger competitors, like the now-discontinued Toyota Avalon. Standard features include power-adjustable driver and front passenger seating, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a shift knob, dual-zone automatic temperature control, an auto-dimming rear mirror, and a push-button start. The Maxima has one of the smallest trunks in the category, which puts it at a disadvantage when it comes to cargo carrying. However, its bigger compartments are useful spots to keep ordinary goods, and its rear seat backs drop down to accommodate more oversized items. The Maxima lineup includes an 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system that is simple to operate. The infotainment system can be operated via touchscreen, but there are also redundant buttons on the center stack for quick access to typical settings like radio level and climate control. In addition, the system offers car tracking, remote access, and emergency services. Parents of young drivers may enjoy the speed, boundary, and curfew notifications, and the system immediately informs emergency personnel after an accident when the airbags deploy. The ability to trace the location of the Maxima in case of a theft is useful as a remote starting and door lock access. Essential driver assist functions are standard, with more sophisticated technology available on the SR and Platinum variants. Nissan provides an entirely mediocre protection package. Additional coverage is available via dealerships at an additional fee. Still, the usual periods, a 3-year with a 36,000-mile limited warranty and a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, should suffice for most customers. The Maxima costs about $40,000, so it's hardly a good buy. Its warranty and options list isn't imposing. One can give it a 7 for its infotainment system and essential equipment, which is above average. Are you ready to buy this beast? Please share it with us in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like, share, and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.